Well, September here in Alaska, the leaves are starting to turn and it's getting rather chilly outside. So, that means the good old snow is soon upon us. But that doesn't mean we're not up to fun little adventures still. Check it out. The old 38 Chevy made its way home. Went on a nice little road trip and hauled the car back 200 miles to here. So that made for a good time. Good little trip. But yeah, if you guys are new, be sure to go check out the videos we've made on this thing. Basically a quick little recap. Dirt Road Derelicts and I spent the time to make this car run and drive again after it had been sitting since the early 1970s. So we figure about 50 years since the last time it even ran, and let alone, drove around. But it just made for a super awesome time hanging out, having fun, and not to mention the fact that, we were pretty excited to play around with a pre-war car, just given the fact that, not many people get to, especially up here, because you just can't find them. But yeah, all around made for a super awesome time and experience. So, couldn't ask for more. But yeah, be sure to go check out the videos that I've made on it, and Brian over at Dirt Road Derelicts that he's made on it. So some good content. Be sure to go check it out. But anyways, if you guys have seen the videos, you'll know the story that our friend Cole on YouTube as well, Just a Car Addict, go check him out. He made the little arrangements that if we got the thing running and driving, that the car would end up in my collection once it was over with. So of course that happened. So big thank you to him for being generous enough to do that. So that's super appreciated. She's definitely gone to a good home, and will continue to live on and get fixed up here and there as time allows. So I think she'll fit right in with the collection. Definitely super excited to have a classic old car, kicking around too. So, got to even things out from all the trucks, I guess. But yeah, she's just a super good looking car, and definitely in great shape for the age and, the harsh environment of this state. So yeah, really enjoying it. And today we're gonna, unchain it, get it unloaded off the trailer, and drive it around a little bit and just have some fun with it and show it off some more. So ought to be a fun little video and make for a great time. So guess we'll get after doing that. All right, our battery's hooked up. Car's all unchained, ramps are down, we're about ready here. Just give it, that cold weather choke action, and she should fire right up. The upholstery job is still working mint. Luxury. Oh, come on, starter. You know you want to. We're almost there. This thing runs just way too good. Thing's absolutely awesome. Now, in order for us to make this happen, I actually sacrificed the carburetor and starter off of the 42 G506 here. So I had rebuilt that carburetor when I revived this truck. Of course, you guys can go check out all the videos on reviving this thing if you haven't seen it. But yeah, that carburetor and this starter worked out great for making this project happen. So I was glad I was able to just rob them off of this for now and, you know, get this thing up and going, because it really likes it and it runs way too good. I mean, check this out. Just give it the ignition here. Like, can it get much better than that? Well, there you go. We got to run her around and have some fun with it. Thing's running great as usual, and man, it really goes down the road nice too, and doesn't seem to be having the overheating issues anymore that we faced when we first got this thing going. It runs a little on the hot side, but I figure, you know, that water pump was seized and full of rust, so she's probably in great need for a replacement. But I mean, it's keeping it cool enough to not overheat anymore, so can't complain there. But yeah, just a super cool car, and it's a lot of fun to drive around, and it definitely fits in around here, so that's always cool too. But yeah, be sure to go check out the videos on it if you haven't already. And yeah, if you guys want to see like any of the work that gets done to this car here in the future, like once I put it in the shop and start doing things to it and all that kind of stuff, let me know down in the comments if you want to, you know, watch along and see the kind of work that goes into it. But yeah, till the next video, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys later.